This is a 2012 Nissan Rogue SL all-wheel drive with 106,000 miles. The vehicle is running, it needs nothing. It is fully equipped. So it's the top of the line Rogue. Navigation, backup camera, all-wheel drive, moonroof, heated seats, leather. Perfect student vehicle. In wonderful condition. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Tires are in great shape. The vehicle is running on this 100-degree day. Sorry about the sun glare, but this black is super clean and it puts off quite the glare. Black leather interior is like new. No rips, stains, wear marks. Backup camera, 360 camera in this one. Navigation, heated seats, both sets of keys, owner's manual, 106,000 miles. Moonroof, power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise control, power seat, all-wheel drive lock button. As you can see, just really clean. So this is a 2012 Nissan Rogue SL all-wheel drive, 106,000 miles, in wonderful condition. Needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Perfect vehicle for student, great price range right now.